Wait and see what happens. Okay. 30 candles above the green line, buys in play. Because now if this 30-minute candle breaks the high of the previous 30-minute candle, we'll have to wait and see what happens. Okay, 30-minute candle closed. 30-minute candle closed bullish. There are no sells and there are no buys either. So when we look at the news, let's take a look at the news. There's no news coming soon, but if we look on the 1 hour time frame here, 1 hour is also now trying to close bullish. So it's kind of ranging now. So see, we had the big move down. Now price is ranging, and in this range, we only took one trade. We're not trying to overtrade, not trying to do anything, but above this line should be good for buys, which is trying to move up. So this is good. So now see, this 30-minute candle has broken the high of the previous 30-minute candle. So if this does continue up, there's no reason to worry about missing the buys because we're not missing anything. We might be able to catch this. Also, you have to understand the 4-hour candle is about to close. Price has left the zone. Yes, that is correct. Price has left the zone. All right, so this is where experience comes into play. That if this 30-minute candle closes bullish, rejecting that area, there's a higher chance for the next 30-minute candle to continue on bullish. So then what this means is that the next 30-minute candle should respect the low of the previous 30-minute candle. Does this make sense? Right? Since we couldn't maintain our move down, this 30-minute candle should respect the low of the previous 30-minute candle and continue moving up if it's going to be an uptrend. And that's all what we're going to play off of. So now if we're saying that should continue up, where's the target? Maybe the target is going to be up over here, 145, 600, let's say. We say 600. Yeah, so that's the idea we're going to play off of here. Take a buy based on the fact that if it's moving bullish, it should respect the low of the previous 30-minute candle, which was bullish, and it should continue on bullish. Now, we're not going to keep this area in mind because this was in the past. What we're keeping in mind is this clean move that happened, which came down. So where there should be a mirroring move in the same direction. Like a mirroring move, which mirrors the move to the left. That's what we're looking at. Because if this area was of some significance, then this move down should have reacted to this area, but it didn't. So see, the 30-minute candle is moving up. We got 10, 11 pips. We're going to close one position right over here, and we're going to trail our stop. If we think price is going to continue moving up, price should continue making higher highs and higher lows. So we're going to trail the stop in the anticipation that price should continue moving bullish. That's what we're going to do. See, 30-minute candle closed bullish. Now this should also continue going bullish. We look on the 1 hour. 1 hour is bullish as well. The previous 1 hour closed above the previous 1 hour candle, the bearish one. The 4 hour has just formed. It seems like the 4 hour can go bearish. So, okay, now you see, it seems like the 4 hour can go bearish, right? Because the previous 4 hour was bearish. It seems like it can come down to fill the wick. But, now this is where it's very important. The higher time frame bias is bearish, right? The 4 hour, it seems like making higher, lower lows and lower highs. It could come down and fill this wick. But when you go to the 1 hour time frame, you see that, hey, the trend is now shifting. It's kind of changing here a little bit. So when you go to a 30-minute time frame, you get more confirmations that, oh, okay, maybe the trend is like shifting a little bit. So as long as price stays above the low of the previous one, this should continue moving bullish. So maybe put this stop at break even and, just let it run. Because when you trade, you got to protect yourself. You can't have no losses. Oh, got stopped out. Oh, well, that's okay. We got stopped out, still got a winning trade, 2 days up 2.5%, risking 1% per trade. Oh, okay. Let's go to the next bar over here. Let's see what it does because, oh, wow, look at that. Moved up and higher. Nice, perfect. Let's go to the next day here. the next day is going to be, oh,